Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are discussing about differentiation, very short answer type question. This is the continuous video for the yesterday's class. I hope everyone alert on this, aware of this video. Please, those who are watching first time, you can like and subscribe, dear students. And those who are watching previously also, you can like and share to your friends also. This is my sincere request to my friends and their students. Why? Because most of the students are not having any tuition points or academies. So they did not bear some students, some people. So that is the reason I am making the videos. So please share to your friends and relatives. Let us have a discussion. The first question is differentiation. If y equal to sine inverse of cos x, then find dy by dx. So two methods we are going to introduce by using trigonometry, by using differentiation. So first, y is equal to sine inverse of this cos x. Can I write in terms of sine? How can we write sine in terms of sine? Sine of 90 minus theta. So that means sine of pi by 2 minus x. So sine inverse of sine of pi by 2 minus x means you will get, by using inverse trigonometry, you will get it as pi by 2 minus x, because sine inverse of sine theta is theta. So by using this inverse trigonometry property, we will do this. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to constant d by dx of constant whose derivative goes to be 0 minus d by dx of x is equal to 1. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Now we will move to another method, method 2. This is method 1, dear students. Given y is equal to sine inverse of cos x. First what I am doing is normal differentiation I am doing. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of sine inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. In place of x what value is there? Cos x is there. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus cos x whole square. That means cos square x. Again what function is involved in this cos x? So d by dx of cos x you have to write it. Whatever the function is involving in other function, that function again you have to differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So root of 1 minus sin square theta value is what? Root of 1 minus cos square theta value is sin x. So sin x into dy by dx of cos x minus sin x. So sin x get cancelled. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1. I hope you understand this, students. Both the methods. This is by using method 1 and this is by using method 2. I hope you got clarity on this. We will move to next question. Find the derivative of tan inverse of secant x plus tan x. First, the given y is equal to tan inverse of secant x, we can write it as 1 by cos x plus tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. So y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus sin x divided by cos x. 1 plus sin x we can write it as in terms of half angles. To do most of the problems in differentiation and limits, you need to learn thoroughly the trigonometric formulas of submultiple, multiples and the compound angles, dear students. You should aware of this for properties and formulas. So 1 can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So ultimately I am going to write as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, whole divided by cos x can be written as, in terms of half angles, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So y equal to tan inverse of a square, so cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, whole divided by a square minus b square form. We can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So one of the cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 get cancelled. This will becomes y equal to tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So even if you are thorough with the trigonometry formulas, cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a is cos tan of pi by 4 plus a, we can write it. A value is what here according to the x by 2. If here I will write here some formula, tan 45 plus a equal to cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. So therefore y equal to tan inverse of tan of 45 means pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus x by 2. You remember, dear students, same thing in numerator minus is there, pi by 4 minus x by 2. In numerator plus is there, pi by 4 plus x by 2. So again tan inverse of tan x, like by using tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta, by using inverse trigonometry properties, you can get as y is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to pi by 4 constant whose derivative goes to be 0 plus x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. I hope you are able to understand. We'll move on to another question. So y equal to log of secant x plus tan x. This is a given function. Sometimes this question they may chances to ask him, if f of x equal to log of secant x plus tan x, then find f dash of x. In that way also they will ask the students. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to log, this is completely f of x. D by dx of log x is, log f of x is what? 1 by f of x. So 1 by secant x plus tan x. Again, each and every time you have to differentiate. Secant x derivative is secant x tan x plus tan x derivative is secant square x. So from these two, secant x take common. Dy by dx is equal to secant x, if you take out common, tan x plus secant x divided by secant x plus tan x. So secant x plus tan x get cancelled. Therefore dy by dx is equal to secant x. This is the way we can do it, dear students. We'll move to another question. Yeah, I'm going to drop this. We'll move to our next questions. Wherever possibilities are there, I will explain two methods also, dear students, based on the time. After 9:30 also, I will take another session, that is JNN's previous questions in other channel. I will come there. Next question number 22. If y equal to secant of root tan x, find dy by dx. Next question number 23. If y equal to log of sine inverse of e power x, then find dy by dx. Next question number 24. If y equal to cot inverse of x power 3 whole square, find dy by dx or dx y dash. Next question. Question number 25. If y equal to x power x, find dy by dx. Question number 26. If y is equal to sine of log of sine of log x, log of sine of log x, then find y dash. Then find y dash. Separately I will explain 27 and all. For encouragement purpose, in our channel super thanks also it is there. For encouragement purpose of this channel, you can do it, dear students, those who are watching, if it is possible, not compulsory. If y equal to secant of root tan x, first we have to know about this is completely x, you can take it. Secant x, what is d by dx of secant x? Secant x tan x. So first y equal to secant of root tan x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative is dy by dx. Secant x, d by dx of secant x tan x. So secant root tan x into tan root tan x. We cannot leave it till here. Again, whatever the function is involved in that again you have to differentiate. So d by dx of root tan x. What is the derivative of root x? It is in the form of root x only. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So secant of root tan x into tan of root tan x. D by dx of root tan x is 1 by 2 root tan x. Again this function you have to differentiate. D by dx of tan x. So which is equal to secant of root tan x into tan of root tan x. d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x by 2 root tan x. I hope everyone understands, students. This is the way we can do that differentiation. Important question. This is example problem in your textbook. 2 marks question. Number of times they asked. Let us come to the another question. If y equal to log of sin inverse of e power x. First, sin inverse of e power x, you can take one function. So it is looking like log f of x. What is the derivative of log f of x? 1 by f of x only. So differentiate with respect to x. First, given y equal to, you have to write it. After that step, so y derivative is dy by dx log this value. So 1 by sin inverse of e power x. Again dy by dx of sin inverse of e power x, you have to do that. It is looking like dy by dx of sin inverse x only, no? So which is equal to 1 by sin inverse of e power x, d by dx of sin inverse x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. What is x value in this? E power x whole square. We apply the formula. So again whatever it is involved, again we have to differentiate. d by dx of e power x. So which is equal to 1 by sin inverse of e power x into 1 by root of 1 minus e power 2x, e power x whole square is e power 2x, into d by dx of e power x is e power x. So we can give the conclusion e power x divided by sin inverse of e power x into root over 1 minus e power 2x. So this is the value of dy by dx according to the given question. We will move to question number 24. In this, y equal to cot inverse of x cube whole power 2 whole square. So first dy by dx of x square you have to differentiate. What is dy by dx of x square? 2x. 2 into x power 2 minus 1. So differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative is dy by dx. So this is completely x n. So 2 into cot inverse of x power 3 whole power 2 minus 1. No need of writing, 1 only will come. Again what we have to do? dy by dx of cot inverse of x cube. It is in the form of dy by dx of cot inverse x. So which is equal to 2 into cot inverse of x cube into dy by dx of cot inverse x means minus 1 by 1 plus x cube whole square. Again x cube you have to differentiate. dy by dx of x cube. So which is equal to 2 into cot inverse of x cube minus 1 by 1 plus x power 6 into dy by dx of x cube 3x square. So 3x square into 2 6x square into cot inverse of x power 3 into minus 1 is there means minus divided by 1 plus x power 6. I hope everyone understands. Step by step clearly I explained. Once again we go through that. If you come to the question number 25, it is in the form of f of x whole power g of x. Of course f of x, g of x both are same. Whenever it is in the form f of x whole power g of x, taking log on both sides and then differentiate. So first we have to write it as y is equal to x power x. Taking log on both sides. So differentiate. First after that, log y is equal to log x power x. So log y is equal to x into log x. So differentiate with respect to x. So log y, log x derivative is 1 by x. If it is log y, 1 by y. Again y also differentiate. So log y derivative is 1 by y. Y derivative with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to u into the formula x into dy by dx of log x 1 by x plus log x into d by dx of x is 1. So here x get cancelled. I want dy by dx, now y will bring this side. So dy by dx is equal to y into 1 plus log x. What is y value? Y value it is given as x power x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. This is the way we can do, dear students. Very important question. This is also 2 marks question. Of course, what I am telling in this class, all are important only. vsaq's video 2 it is. Don't neglect any question. Every question you should practice sincerely and thoroughly, dear students. Next, come to the question number 26. Y equal to log of sine of log x. You consider this completely sine of log x as x. So log f of x only. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx is equal to log f of x means 1 by sine of log x. After that, d by dx of whatever the function is involved, that again you have to differentiate. D by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. So d by dx of sine of log x is what? Cos of log x. 1 by sine of log x into cos of log x. Again log x also differentiate. D by dx of log x, whatever the function is involved, that again you have to differentiate. Cos of log x by sine of log x is cot of log x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So which is equal to cot of log x divided by x. So dy by dx is equal to cot of log x divided by x. I hope everyone understands, dear students. We will move on to another set of questions. If f of x equal to 1 plus x square plus and so on, x power 100, then find f dash of 1. Next question number 28. If y equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, then find dy by dx. Next question number 29. If y equal to, same type of questions, dear students, sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, find dy by dx. After number 13. Find the derivative of tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Next, question number 31. Find the derivative of y is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Next, question number 32. Find the derivative of y is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, dear students, so these are the questions. So we are going to do that. Which are all important. So first, f of x is given. We have to calculate f dash of x to get f dash of 1. So f of x equal to 1 plus x square plus and so on x power 100. Differentiate with respect to x. So each and every term you have to differentiate only, no? F dash of x equal to d by dx of constant 0 plus d by dx of x 1, d by dx of x square 2x plus and so on, d by dx of x power 100 into x power 100 minus 1, that means 99. So I want f dash of 1 only, no? Put x is equal to 1 in the above, f dash of 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 plus next 3 will come plus and so on plus 100. It is in the form of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on 100. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n. Sum of the first n terms formula is what? N into n plus n1, n plus 1 by 2 only. So we know that sigma n is equal to, here it is difficult to understand. Here I will write sigma n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So similarly n is equal to what? 100, no? 100 into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones, 2 50s. So 50 into 101, which is equal to 50, 50. So therefore the value of f dash of 1 equal to 50, 50. If you come to the question number 28, 29 and 30, 29, both are substitution method of differentiation. Here you can choose the right substitution to solve these type of problems, dear students. See here, y is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. If we put x is equal to tan theta in this, that implies theta value is equal to tan, will bring this side, tan inverse x only will come, no? So therefore, y value will become tan inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Therefore, y equal to tan inverse of tan 2 theta, tan inverse of tan 2 theta, tan inverse of tan theta. I just in the previous question we discussed 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 theta, y equal to 2 into theta value is what? Tan inverse x we got here. So differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative is dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square, which is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. The same method you need to follow here also. Put x is equal to tan theta. Sir, here sin inverse is there. How to take tan inverse? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula for sin 2 theta in terms of tan. So that implies theta equal to sin tan inverse x. So therefore, y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta means sin 2 theta only. So again sin inverse of sin theta is theta. So in place of theta what value is there? 2 theta is there. So y is equal to 2 into what is theta we got? Tan inverse x. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx. 2 into dy dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. I hope you understand this, students. Okay, we'll move on to next question. So let us consider the given function as y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. If you take it is put x is equal to tan theta, dear students, that implies that theta equal to tan inverse x, y equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. As you know the formulas of trigonometry, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus theta is pi by 4 plus theta. So differentiate, in place of theta, what we have to replace? Here we assume now tan inverse x. So y equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to constant derivative 0. Pi by 4 is constant. And tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. We'll move on to another question. These two are different type of questions. Here also substitution method, but we will apply sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta formulas. If you come to this question here, put x is equal to sin theta. Why only in this sin theta, in this cos theta? Here cos inverse formula means cos theta, sin inverse of sin theta. But here sin inverse means why you are taking tan theta, means in bracket value it shows sin 2 theta in terms of tan. Here bracket value tan 2 theta in terms of tan. Here tan pi by 4 plus theta in terms of tan here. So x equal to sin theta, theta equal to sin inverse x. Therefore, y equal to sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So y is equal to sin inverse of sin 3 theta. So which is equal to sin inverse of sin 3 theta is 3 theta. What is theta? We assume that sin inverse x. So y equal to 3 sin inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 3 into dy by dx of sin inverse x, 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So it will become 3 by root of 1 minus x square. We will move on to another question. Find the derivative of y equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Here, put x is equal to cos theta. That implies theta equal to cos inverse x. So y value will becomes y equal to cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This bracket value is the formula of cos 3 theta. Here it is sin 3 theta, here cos 3 theta. So y equal to cos inverse of cos 3 theta. So y is equal to 3 theta. So y is equal to 3 into cos inverse of x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 3 into dy by dx of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x, which is equal to minus 3 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the way we can do, dear students. Slowly you can do it. Even if you go to the academies, you have to pay that number of amount. But here I am giving a free service. That is the reason I am requesting you to like and share to your friends, dear students. It will be helpful for me. Differentiate f of x equal to e power x. WRT means with respect to g of x is equal to root x. These type of problems important. And next 34 question number. If x equal to, this question also they asked 2 times, tan of e power minus y, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus e power y by 1 plus x square. Here it will be. Next question number 35. If x equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t, find dy by dx. Next, after finding of this one, question number 36. If f of x equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 5, then prove that f dash of 0 plus 3 into f dash of minus 1 equal to 0. Next question number 37. This is also second order derivative, dear students. If y equal to a e power nx plus b e power minus nx, then prove that y double dash equal to n square y. So these are the questions we are going to solve now. Differentiation of one function with respect to another function. How to do that? First I am writing given functions f of x equal to e power x and g of x equal to root x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x equal to e power x, derivative is e power x. Next, differentiate with respect to x. G dash of x equal to 1 by 2 root x. After finding f dash of x and g dash of x, the derivative of f of x with respect to g of x is f dash of x divided by g dash of x. That only formula, dear students. What is f dash of x? We got e power x by 1 by 2 root x. Denominator of denominator, it will become numerator. So e power x into 2 root x. Now come to the question number 34. If x equal to tan of e power minus y, then show that dy by dx equal to. So given x is equal to tan of e power minus y. So tan, bring this side. Tan inverse x is equal to e power minus y. Now differentiate with respect to x. What is dy by dx of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square equal to dy by dx of e power x. E power x. So e power minus x is there. Minus e power minus x. dy by dx of e power minus y is minus e power minus y. Again this y we have to differentiate. Dy by dx of y. But I want only dy by dx. No. This e power minus y, bring that side. So 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 by e power minus y is equal to minus dy by dx. Both sides multiplying by minus, here minus is going to eliminate. That implies that dy by dx is equal to e power minus y, bring it to the numerator, it will become plus e power minus plus y. And yet this minus will become this side by 1 plus x square. That's what they are asking to prove. Hence proved. Hence proved. Come to the parametric. 2-3 problems are there, dear students, in parametric differentiation. Just I am giving one example, the model. You should prepare that type of questions. So x equal to a cos cube t. So to get dy by dx, we need to calculate x in terms of t is there, means differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to a constant. Cos cube t is there, x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1. So 3 into cos power 3 minus 1 into t. So 3 cos square t. Again d by dt of cos t. Cos t derivative is minus sin t. Once again I will explain. D by dx of a constant, bring outside cos power 3t. So 3 into cos power 3 minus 1t. Again cos t differentiate with respect to t. So d by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x. D by dt of cos t is what? Minus sin t. Next y equal to a sin cube t. So differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to a into sin cube t derivative is 3 sin square t. Again sin t derivative is cos t. So therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt value 3a sin square t into cos t divided by minus 3a into cos square t into sin t. 3a get cancelled, 1 sin t cancel, 1 cos t cancel. Sin t by cos t minus is there, tan t. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus tan t. Okay dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move on to the next question. Here f of x value is given. F of x equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So they are asking to prove f dash of 0 plus 3 into f dash of minus 1 equal to 0. So differentiate with respect to x. So f dash of x equal to 2 into d by dx of x square 2x plus 3 into d by dx of x 1 minus constant derivative 0. So f dash of x equal to 4x plus 3. So f dash of 0, x is equal to 0 substitute, 4 into 0 plus 3 which is equal to 3. Next f dash of minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 substitute, 4 into minus 1 plus 3 that is equal to minus 4 plus 3 which is equal to minus 1, f dash of minus 1. After getting these values, you write this condition. Therefore, f dash of 0 plus 3 into f dash of minus 1 equal to 3 plus 3 into minus 1. So, which is equal to 3 minus 3 which is equal to 0. RHS, this is LHS. Okay, students, we'll move on to another question. Here, y equal to a e power nx plus b e power minus nx. So they are asking to prove second derivative, double derivative. So once again to differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative will becomes y dash. Sir, why you are not writing derivatives? Here according to the question you have to follow the students. Y double dash is there. First derivative will become y dash. So y dash equal to a constant. E power nx derivative is n into e power nx plus b constant. E power minus nx derivative is minus n e power minus nx. So y dash equal to a n e power nx minus b n e power minus nx. Differentiate with respect to x. So y double dash equal to a n into e power nx derivative is n into e power nx minus bn into e power minus nx derivative minus n into e power minus nx. So y double dash equal to a n square e power nx plus b n square e power minus x. So from these two, n square take out common, n square into a e power nx plus b e power minus nx. So since from equation 1, if you take this is equation 1, from equation 1 this bracket value is y only, no? So y double dash equal to n square into 1. So hence proved. So more 2-3 questions are there, dear students. I hope everyone understand. We'll move on to another questions. Okay, dear students, I think completed. Yes, I am going to wrap this and I will tell that. if y equal to ax power n plus 1 plus bx power minus n, then show that x square y double dash equal to n into n plus 1 into y. Next, question number 39. If y equal to x power 4 plus tan x, then find y double dash. Then find y double dash. Yeah, one more question, dear students. This type of question also we may expect. Find the derivative of x equal to log of 1 plus root y with respect to x. Like this they will ask the question, dear students. So this question may chances to ask 4 marks or 2 marks also. First, the given one is equation number 1 and differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is y dash equal to a into d by dx of x power n plus 1 into x power n plus 1 minus 1. These two will be cancelled. Plus b into x power minus n derivative minus n into x power minus n minus 1. So we will simplify y dash equal to a into n plus 1 into x power n minus bn into x power minus n minus 1. Okay. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. Y dash will becomes y double dash. A into n plus 1 constant is constant. X power n derivative n into x power n minus 1. Minus bn constant. X power minus n plus 1 derivative. So minus n minus 1 into x power minus n minus 1 minus 1. So y double dash equal to a into n plus 1 into x power n minus 1. From these two minus take common, minus into minus is plus, b into n plus 1 into x power minus n minus 2. Okay, dear students. After that, both sides multiplying by x square. Sir, why sir you are doing x square multiply? Here x square y double dash they are asking. So multiplying on both sides. Multiplying by x square on both sides. So x square into y double dash equal to a into n plus 1 into x square into x power n minus 1 plus b into n plus 1 into x square into x power minus n minus 2. So x square into y double dash a into n plus 1 into base are equal portion be added. X power n plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1 plus b into n plus 1 into x power plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, only minus n. In these two, what will be take common? X square y double dash equal to n into n plus 1 if you take out common, keep bracket, ax power n plus 1 plus bx power minus n. Since from equation 1, this bracket value goes to be y. So, x square y double dash equal to n into n plus 1 into y. Hence, the result. Otherwise, hence proved simply. Okay, dear students, we will move to this question. Y equal to x power 4 plus tan x. Differentiate with respect to x. They are asking y double dash. 2 times we have to differentiate. So, y dash equal to x power 4 derivative 4x cube plus d by dx of tan x secant square x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So y dash derivative is y double dash 4 constant d by dx of x cube 3x square plus d by dx of secant square x power n. So 2 into secant power 2 minus 1 is 1 x. Again secant x derivative secant x into tan x. Once again I repeat, d by dx of secant power n x means 2 into secant power 2 minus 1 x. Again secant x derivative d by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. So y double dash equal to 12x square plus 2 into secant x secant square x into tan x. This is y double dash value. Now if we come to this question, x equal to log of 1 plus root y. To solve this type of problem with respect to x they are asking now. So here x is equal to log of 1 plus root y. Here base is not there, means you can take it as be. So by definition of logarithm, e power x is equal to, whenever you are writing e power x exponential form, log is not able to come in the next step. So whenever logarithm form to exponential form, e power x equal to 1 plus root y. Now differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of e power x is e power x equal to constant derivative 0 plus d by dx of root y 1 by 2 root y. Again y also differentiate dy by dx cross multiplication. So e power x into 2 root y is equal to dy by dx. But I want dy by dx in terms of x now. So root y, 1 plus root y is then e power x. In place of e power x, 1 plus root y you write it. So 2 into 1 plus root y into root y. So wherever e power x is there, 1 plus root y I am writing, which is equal to dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 2 into root y. Root y into root y is 1. So therefore dy by dx equal to 2 root y plus 1. Otherwise wherever 1 plus root y is there, you replace with e power x also. But ultimately they are asking to write with respect to x, they will dy by dx equal to. Hence we got it. Still any doubts are there regarding this video, please write in the comment box after completing of this session. I will help you in my free time. In tomorrow's session, I may come with, tomorrow means after, I think by 8:30 around, after 9 o'clock only. Tomorrow I have busy schedule. So after 9:30, I may come with a different concept of either 1A or 1B or 2A. Here, 1B, 2 marks questions covered in the limits and continuity and differentiation. Now we will come with either maths 2A or 2B. In 2B also we covered in revision 2025 IPE. We covered system of circles 2 marks and parabola. If possible, parabola I will come with that. And hyperbola also. Parabola and hyperbola 2 marks question in one shot. If possible, I will complete it. Thank you dear students. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. Thank you all for your support. Jai Hind. Maths with Panindra.